What's up, fellow YouTubers? It's Joe from YouTube Reviews. I do reviews on new YouTube channels, and I offer outside perspective and review things such as your logo, channel, art, description, video content, music, thumbnails. If you'd like for me to review your channel, just comment down below and I will get to it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see how other YouTubers are doing and gain some ideas as well. Let's get started. Alright guys, this next channel is Andrew Wills. He submitted his channel on Reddit for my thread. So this is the first time I'm going to be searching for his channel. Let's see what it's all about. Andrew Wills. Alright. Alright, so we got your face, your beautiful face, and some filter with glasses. And yeah, I like it. It's cool. Put your name or something. I don't know. Andrew Wills. Somewhere up in there. But it's hilarious. It's funny. All right, 185 subscribers, 23 YouTubers, actually 186 subscribers now. Great feature video. I'll check that later. What is your channel about? Let me go see what you're all about. Just here to entertain and be entertained. Okay, that's fine because I've seen some very popular YouTubers just have like one line. It works, but I don't know, maybe you want to put a little more as a new YouTuber because people don't really know what your channel is about. So maybe have it like that. Business inquiries, stuff in your banner, such as your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and whatever else social media you use. So you've been in YouTube for 8 years. I'm guessing you haven't been active most of them, but it doesn't matter. So let's see what you got. Playlists. You got a few playlists. Okay, good. Your banner's okay. I mean, besides missing the social media, but I mean, it's pretty simple, plain Jane. I accept it, but I'm not like going crazy about it. Okay, your thumbnails, like they're nice, they're beautiful, but they don't match with your banner. Like your banner and your thumbnails is like a completely different level. Your titles are those attention grabbers. WikiHow has disturbing tutorials. Yeah, literally all of your titles are those like attention grabbers, which I think are good, especially like for example, rich people are living in vans and it sucks. How is that possible? That keeps me intrigued. I want to learn more. What are you talking about? Okay, good. You're following trends such as Hypebeast, making original content. Your thumbnails, like I said, they're good. They're great. I mean, I have no complaints with them. Except I know these first few videos are probably you just trying out YouTube and whatever, so they don't count. But yeah, they're great and they're fun and they look young and vivid. So I have no complaints with your thumbnails really at all. What else can we say about your channel? Let's check out one of your videos. Let's do your feature video. I think you commented on Reddit that you talked about your WikiHow video. So let's look at that one and see what you're all about. If your thumbnails represent your content, if your thumbnails represent the type of content you have, I'll be really happy with your channel. All right, let's see.
A little bit of extra help doing everyday tasks. You know, like whenever you need to jumpstart a car, or need to prevent forehead wrinkles, and of course, need to know 3 different ways to be a furry, you know, the usual things in life. But there's a website that has tutorials that nobody's ever going to need to know, ever. Welcome back everybody to an episode of How to Cringe at a YouTuber Trying to Be Funny for Internet Strangers. Before we get into any weird, disturbing stuff, if you're new here, I make videos every week making fun of things, stupid people, stupid trends. Yep. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of summer, so if you want to stay tuned every week, make sure to subscribe down below and be a part of all the fun here. Okay, now, let's...
All right, you're pretty interesting to listen to. I like that, and you actually asked people to subscribe to you because you have a goal in mind, and it's a pretty small goal, so you'll probably exceed that eventually. Yeah, like I said, you're interesting to listen to, and yeah, so let's see your comments. You put video descriptions, great. And okay, your social media, you put it all here, but I don't see it in your banner. That all needs to be on your banner like pronto, and maybe make your banner nicer as well. see this person. Like I said, they're a really nice video. They said they had a blast watching it. So I agree with that. I don't see how they wouldn't have a blast. You're replying to your comments. Great. You're following everything that needs to be done. Yeah, so let's go back. See if there's anything else I can point out. Really nothing. Nothing else. You're doing a good job. Keep up the good work. Just change this banner. And if you want, your logo can be a little better too. So I give you a 7.5 on 10 because of some things you can be doing extra. That's it for this channel. And guys, let me know what you think about Andrew Will's channel. And Andrew, you can comment down below and tell me what your opinion is. Subscribe to my channel so you can see all the other YouTubers' channels and maybe learn something new. So I'll see you guys in the next review.